loves, we will open the air purifier that we bought. Large family purifier. And there is a little Roxy. Come on, Rock. Daddy will open. You help Dad. Ayan. No, you like the box? You want to be in the box? That's a good rubbish box for me, actually. I will make it into a rubbish box.
Next week.
So, yan na guys. Mga, siya guys, 159, no, Daddy, no? Because we have a discount. So, nag-ano lang siya ng mga 5,000 plus. Tara! Uy, Konami, may Oh my, it's like our
remote. Yeah.
This is the remote. And this is the warranty. And that's the egg thing for Dad's plants.
Oh, yeah, I put some plants in there.
Yeah, Daddy can put the seedlings in there. Yeah, or Roxy can sit in that one in the bedroom. No, we'll buy Roxy a bed. Ta-da! Okay.
There's Mommy's ear.
And that's what inside, and this is just the box.
Just the box?
Just the boxing. Put there because we will need a box for some.
One more before you go. That's the air purifier.
But Daddy wants to unbox the other one, guys, because we don't have time. Okay, guys, Daddy will unbox this one as well, which is a pressure washer. What's that?
Bits and pieces.
Bits and pieces, and that's a Ryobi pressure washer, 1,800 watts, 2,000 psi.
Here's the handle.
There's a hand. Are you shooting me? What have I done to you?
Squirty.
And ta-da! Wait, the small ones first. They're just the small bits and pieces. This one is, we don't know.
The handle.
Okay, and that one is, we don't know. No, the handle. And that's the parts for the pressure
hose.
Pressure hose. Ayan siya, guys. And, ta-da! The big surprise. Is it heavy?
Not really.
Oh, there's the gun. That's the gun. Tara, itabi na natin siya. Dalawa na. Binuksan natin, dalawa. So that is the gun. And this is the machine itself. Ayan. Mayroon kami niyan, guys, sa work, sa trabaho namin noon. Tapos ginagamit ko yan to wash the mats. Yan ang pressure washer. Kaya familiar din kami sa niya, but we need to put it together. So yan, guys. Yan naman siya is mga 3,700 pesos. Kung sa pesos, $100 siya. Wow, ang ganda. So we have our very own pressure washer, Daddy.
Yep.
That should be the water at the back. No, the water in the hose.
Hook the hose up.
Hose the hook. Hook the hose.
The front.
Ayan. Picturean ko si Daddy. Picture ta, Dad. So, yan, guys, ha. Yan. Okay, it's on.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Where are you going? To the battle? In the garden?
I'll show you when it gets going.
Yes, we will show you guys how when it gets going. For now, yan lang muna. We will have to learn how to put it together first. Alright, guys. Ang unboxing ni Daddy Mozzie.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.